Hey there, welcome back to my channel Seek and Find Learning. Today in this video I would be covering the drainage system of Arunachal Pradesh, that is the rivers of Arunachal Pradesh, as requested by one of my subscribers. So today we will be learning about the river valleys, the tributaries and its origin. So let's start. Arunachal Pradesh is a scenic state, and what adds to its beauty are its rivers. The state is divided into 5 river valleys, that is the Kameng, the Subansiri, the Siang, the Lohit and the Tirap. So let's have a glimpse on all these river valleys one by one. First we have the Kameng River, which was previously known as the Bareilly River. It originates at the glacial lake below the stunning snow-capped Gorichen mountain along the Indo-Tibetan border. Originating in the Tawang district, it flows through West Kameng, East Kameng and Sonitpur district of Assam. It is about 264 km long. The Kameng River forms the boundary between East Kameng and West Kameng district, and also the boundary between the Eagle Nest Wildlife Sanctuary to its west and the Pakke Tiger Reserve to the east. सो इसमें आप लोग देख सकता है कि वेस्ट में ईगल नेस्ट वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी है और ईस्ट में पक्के टाइगर रिजर्व, तो ये आप लोग को याद रखना है. और some of its tributaries are Tenga, Bichum and Dirangchu River. So next we have the Subansiri River. So it originates in the Himalayas in Tibet, that is the autonomous region of China. It flows east and southeast into India, where it joins the Brahmaputra River in Lakhimpur district. Its length is about 442 km long, and it is the largest tributary of Brahmaputra, contributing 7.92% of Brahmaputra's total flow. And one important thing here is that the Lower Subansiri Hydroelectric Project is an under construction gravity dam on the river. It is a project by National Hydroelectric Power Corporation Limited and expected to supply 2000 megawatts of power when completed. Its major tributaries are Kamla, Kru, Panyor, Par and Dikrong River. So next we have the Siang River. This is the mightiest of all rivers in Arunachal Pradesh, which flows majestically way back from Tibet and enters India through Arunachal. So it originates in Mansarovar Lake region on northern side of the Himalayas. In Tibet it flows in the name of the Yarlung Jangpo. Reaching Arunachal it is called as the Siang or Dihang River, and it continues its flow as Brahmaputra in Assam. Flowing through south, it flows through Bangladesh as Jamuna, and it ends its journey into the Bay of Bengal. It is the 9th largest river in the world and the 15th longest. So the picture here shows the Ranaghat Bridge over Siang River at Pasighat, and its tributaries are the Yomgo, Yamne and Siom River. So this is the course of the Siang River. आप लोग देख सकता है इसमें. And next we have Lohit River. Lohit River is one of the largest rivers which flows on the eastern side of Arunachal Pradesh. In fact, the name of the district itself has been named after the river Lohit. So the river rises in Tibet Autonomous Region in the Kangri Garpo Range, where it is known as the Jayur River. It flows through the Mishmi Hills to meet the Siang at the head of the Brahmaputra River Valley, covering 400 km of distance. इसमें important चीज़ ये है कि the Dola Sadia Bridge, which is also referred to as the Bhupen Hazarika Setu or bridge, is built over the Lohit River, counted as the longest bridge in India, connecting the north states of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. So its tributaries are Kamlang and Noa Dihing River. And next we have the Tirap River Valley. It originates from the hills and deep forest of southeast Arunachal Pradesh in Tirap district between Laju and Wakka. The Tirap River flows towards north and northeast through the valleys of Arunachal Hills and reaches near Changlang town. It is also called as Barap River. It releases its water to Burhi Dihing River near Ledo River, and the river Burhi Dihing flowing southwest joins the Brahmaputra in Assam. Some major rivers in this area are the Noa Dihing, Buri Dihing, the Namsang, the Nampuk, the Tisa Tewai and Tising Suj River. So I have a few questions for you, which I'm confident that every one of you will be able to answer it because the answer has been covered in the video. The questions are The longest bridge of India is located on which river? Which river is situated between Eagle Nest Wildlife Sanctuary and Pake Tiger Reserve? And which river is known as Yarlung Changpo in China? So if you found my content helpful and want to see more of it, then please do like, share and subscribe so that it will be a motivation for me to make more videos. And अगर पसंद नहीं आया तो comment section में आपका suggestions लिख दीजिए so that I can improve in my next video. All your feedbacks and suggestions are welcome. Thanks for watching and God bless you all.